Good morning. How are you doing? Dylan Gallagher here with another headline. Get you thinking about stuff if you're a business owner or an entrepreneur. The title of today's article is AI killed 800,000 jobs in the UK but created 3.5 million new ones. Now you might be thinking, Dylan, what the heck? AI, why are you picking this topic today? And I picked this topic because I think it speaks to something really, really fundamental. A lot of people are freaking out about artificial intelligence and the automation of jobs and how people aren't going to be needed anymore because the robots are going to do all the work. But the truth is, I'll be 40 years old this year, and I've heard that argument for as long as I can remember. I remember hearing about factory automation and how that was going to take a bunch of jobs. And so I'm not one of the pessimists that believe the world is coming to an end. In fact, I think the world's getting to a better place. And I think as business owners and as entrepreneurs, there couldn't be a better time to be alive right now, to be doing really cool things. And I think that robots and automation and AI free us up as people to do the stuff that we're really good at. I mean, the truth is, I'm not sure that a human being was created to just work in a factory, do repetitive tasks the same way every day for their entire career. I think that we're all unique. I think that we're all different. I think that the businesses that we create are different. They offer different products. They offer different services. So why should the people in our business not be different as well and be given the opportunity to maximize their value for an organization? And I don't believe that maximizing value includes just doing repetitive tasks over and over and over and over again. Even if that's your skill set, even if that's what you're really good at, I'm not sure that that's the best use for that particular skill set. So one of the things that I always talk about to anyone who will listen is that when we think of technology automating stuff, what that should do as business owners and as entrepreneurs is it should cause us to say, okay, well, how do I repurpose people in my business? If our accounting system is going to be linked to our point of sale system, which is going to be linked to our bank account, which is going to be linked to our inventory management system, what do we use the people for? And I'm a proponent that the people should be used to now understand the information in your business. Instead of just having people moving data around your business, data entry or bank reconciliation, that kind of work, or inventory counting, et cetera, the people should be used to figure out how to be better. The people in your business should be used to interact with your customers, interact with your clients, interact with your vendors and your suppliers, and ultimately figure out how to add more value to the overall experience that your business delivers into the marketplace. And so I read this, I've been reading this book. Actually, I just finished this book last night called The Rational Optimist. And what it talks about is it makes reference to back in the day of the horse and buggy, that people were concerned that, the same fundamental argument that now with all of these cars, you're not going to need people to take care of the horses and the farriers and the stables and that sort of thing. But what they didn't know, and what we know now with the privilege of being able to look back, is that an entirely new industry was born. Now you needed people to build the cars. Now you needed people to repair the cars. Now you needed people to improve the cars. Now you had entire industries that didn't exist before, like taxis, and people had mobility, and with that mobility they were able to pursue more opportunities. And so again, I'm not a pessimist when it comes to this particular topic. I think I'm definitely an optimist, and I think that businesses need to imagine one day that their business is fully automated. And if it was fully automated, what would you use people for? What would they actually be doing? And I believe what they should be doing is interacting with the customers in your business. Because guess what? The customers in your businesses, the customers that your business serves are not robots and they're not machines. They're people. And so there's only so much a machine can do. A machine can, I think, automate tasks, can give us insights into data and information and trends and analytics. But at the end of the day, it's a human-to-human experience that all of our businesses provide. And being able to leverage automation for that, I think, is nothing but a bonus. And ultimately, and selfishly, it adds to your bottom line. Automation is going to make things way more affordable for businesses in terms of business tasks and business processes. But at the other end of it, it's also going to make businesses more profitable, because if they figure out how to retool their people and how to get their people working in contexts that play to their strengths. So for example, Your salesperson now gets to focus on talking to customers, not updating reports and call logs and that sort of thing. Your accountants now get to analyze the data moving through the accounting system instead of just entering it and never getting to the bottom of the invoice pile. Your operations manager, instead of checking if production runs were done properly, now they get to sit with the people who are responsible for running those production runs and being able to say, look, how can we make this better? How can we make this more efficient? And so profit is waiting at the end of all of this, and that profit will be there because the experience that businesses are able to provide to their customers and their clients will make them more valuable, and that value is going to increase the profit. So there's something to chew on today. I will be here again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're listening to the podcast. Subscribe to this as well. If you're on YouTube, subscribe. And anyway, we'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day.